It seems that Elon Musk doesn't intend to stop disrupting industries in the near future, since he has plans to add more businesses and innovative products. In addition to electric cars, space exploration, and more, Tesla's new mobile phone is expected to disrupt the electronic device industry. Stay tuned, as Musk has just revealed Tesla's mobile phone, which will change everything in the field of electrical devices. Welcome to Elon Musk Rewind. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon to get updated with Tesla, SpaceX, Starlink, and everything about Elon. As a disruptive visionary, Elon Musk has achieved unimaginable feats and made a significant impact on the automobile and space sectors in the past 2 decades. In fact, Musk never ceases to impress us with his stunning technology and unimaginable gadgets. Automated heavy-duty spacecraft, Tesla's electric cars, and Neuralink's brain-machine interfaces are incredible innovations that we could never even dream of. So, can we expect any more devices from these companies as they roll out the new ones now and then? Interestingly enough, Tesla has a smartphone that is ready to take over, and in this video, we'll be exploring the Model Pi, the much-anticipated Tesla smartphone. When you hear about the Tesla mobile phone, the word everything will be the best description for it. Possibly one of the reasons that not one of these phones has ever been invented before is that Musk intends to incorporate all available technology into this super smartphone. A variety of his notable tasks, including building 4680 batteries, solar-powered gadgets, Tesla electric vehicles, and numerous SpaceX missions, can all be found in this model. All smartphone companies struggle to achieve satellite connectivity for seamless networking. One of the most commonly heard names among satellite phones was the Iridium GO, or the Global Link Satellite Connectivity, but with very low speeds of 2.4 kilobits a second, uplink and downlink. While beating this score, the Tesla Pi matches the smartphone rates as well. Due to the low-orbit satellites, the Starlink fleet provides connectivity at nearly 210 megabytes per second for downloads and uploads. With satellites in low orbit, low latency and fast connectivity are assured. Following Elon Musk's 2020 breakthrough, a flood of new technologies has been introduced around the world. In fact, if we take a look at the articles in the news or the tweets from the man himself, we can explore every area easily. Musk seems to have left a permanent mark on every new industry, whether through SpaceX, Neuralink, or the rapid succession of Tesla models. In other words, he can create a Mars colony with the technologies contained in a single smartphone. Starlink's connectivity powers the Model Pi. It is scheduled to provide complete connectivity with a fleet of around 1,600 satellites positioned in subsynchronous orbits around the Earth. At the end of September 2021, more than 90,000 users had subscribed to the platform in nearly 17 countries. SpaceX plans to build a global network by the end of 2022 by covering major countries on every continent. Also, Musk plans on connecting electric-powered vehicles, such as large trucks, aircraft ships, and electric vehicles, to Starlink by the end of 2021. Meanwhile, due to the lack of universal Starlink connectivity, Tesla model sedans are still not eligible for the privilege. But once the phone is released, we can expect this development since the spacecraft are being added continuously to the chain. In this case, Tesla cars are able to connect directly to the phones without any need for SIM cards. Tesla also has released features which support its mobile app, which allows for drivers to be able to operate the car without having to use any manual controls. Sounds amazing, right? With that being said, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends and your family too. This smartphone offers the potential to mine Mars coins, a cryptocurrency. Mars coins, launched in 2014, are virtual coins designed for use on the Red Planet, since Elon Musk envisions developing a colony there. So rather than printing more money, cryptocurrencies and blockchain ledgers may replace cash. With the help of Musk, the Mars Coins developers have built a new ledger specifically intended for use by the colony on Mars, and the Model Pi includes an internal minting application. So could the Model Pi possibly be the first smartphone on Mars? During this era, machine learning and artificial intelligence have developed new ways to interact with machines and humans. A Neuralink, Musk's enticing brain technology, was created in 2016, and its value continues to grow. In engineering, the goal is to link the brain to an automated gadget in order to provide direct input. Then brain-machine interfaces would be implanted in the user and make use of the existing technology or work together with the working applications on their smartphone. As part of the Neuralink technologies, the central nervous system is fully connected to the sensory organs, including the eyes, the sense of smell, touch, and rapid reaction time. Using this technology, developers claim that you can truly replace many of the functions you perform and eliminate a great deal of cognitive work. For instance, You can now give your brain signals directly to your smart gadgets via Alexa, Siri, or any other interactive platform. As modern devices are expected to implement IoT, man-machine interaction is a platform sought for rapid expansion. Neuralink technology also offers applications to treat mental retardation and an inability to focus. As smartphones evolve and these applications appear, it will probably be easier for people with mental issues to crawl up to advanced platforms with good communication. Thus, the Tesla Model Pi is undoubtedly a revolutionary invention within the industry by integrating these technologies into a smartphone in this way. Aside from the emphasis on settlement on the extraterrestrial planet, the major principles would also be impressive on the currently existing planet. Although there is no definite release date for the handset yet, we can still expect it to come with new features. Also, it's not yet clear what the price will be or what structure it will have, but these factors are all expected to drop out shortly. At present, Starlink Satellite offers internet connectivity for $99 per month, but the price of the phone and the details of the subsequent Starlink subscription have not yet been announced. Even though a prototype Model Pi has only been shown in pictures and videos, it has created an air of intrigue and expectation. Is the audience intrigued by the 4 cameras, or by the iPhone-like design? As opposed to Samsung Z Flip or Huawei Mate X2, the Pi isn't a foldable or stretchable smartphone. Also, no other smartphone can yet implement its changing phone case color, which is one of the most striking features. But how? There's a gradient-changing pigment coating on the phone's case. Since it can change color as the sun shines and as the shade falls, it's not surprising that it'll set a trend in the market, as critics have already predicted the competition. There's been no talk about its color scheme or prototype design yet, but it seems we wouldn't need them as its back and front are designed so they can be used directly. Adapting to the darkness with intelligence is the quad-lens camera array on the back. A smart camera with artificially intelligent software will also be implemented with astrophotography features, beating any existing handy camera. For easy access to apps, the front screen of the phone is designed with an ultrasonic touchscreen lock and quick approach icons. Aside from the lock and the numerous features that any modern phone offers, any busy individual will find the phone quite suitable. With a constant internet connection and solar battery charging round the clock, this is undoubtedly a low-maintenance yet high-quality product. Does it have a chance of going to space? We all know that SpaceX and Apple have joined forces recently to test a new space tourism mission. In fact, we've already uploaded a video showcasing this partnership, so be sure to check it out. Space travelers have been able to use Apple phones due to their use of 5G technology and the fastest LTE network. Additionally, Apple has developed its own satellite technology in tandem with Tesla's creation of a satellite phone in 2017, yet their capabilities are limited to serving in emergency situations and cannot provide continuous connectivity. In other words, cellular technology would be the primary source. While Apple does not have their own satellites like Starlink, they rely on the connection provided by Globalstar satellites. But it's expected that the iPhone 13 will have satellite upgrades. Recently, we saw Apple play a major role in SpaceX's inspiration for testing, with Apple's iPhone 12, iPad minis, and Mac Pros being used to outfit traveling civilians to travel into space. The main purpose of this was to monitor and record health indicators and to warn users of any changes in their environment. The fact that Apple products used in the mission were designed by the same person, Antonio De Rosa, who created the Model Pi, is quite surprising. With the Tesla Model Pi being developed rapidly for low-orbit missions and Starlink being a low-orbit fleet, it's quite feasible to use it for data recordings on space missions. Thus, Model Pi can be a single good substitute for the 3 Apple products based on Tesla's features and usage. The Model Pi is also compatible with solar charging and Mars coin mining strategies, which make connecting to space easy. So what are the chances that Musk will succeed in making a phone we can take to Mars if the Starship voyage gets off the ground? Because of its constant connection to the satellite network and the level of human interaction it provides, with its combination of autonomous features, it can be a huge success if applied to space tourism missions. A simple video call can really bring travelers on board and operators on the ground together. Is it really possible for Musk to combine all the ideas into a new phone? Considering what Musk has just revealed, I believe Tesla's mobile phone is indeed destined to change everything in the field of electric devices. That's all for this video about Elon's Tesla phone, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates about him, make sure you click the subscribe and bell icon.